AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 Quick Stock Definition. There are two different stock definitions in WOLVOX 8 program. One of them is advanced and detailed stock definition, and the other is simple and quick stock definition. You can access the detailed stock definition video from the description section. To make a quick stock definition, click the Quick Stock Definition button from the definitions list in the Stock Management menu. From the window that opens, you can create a new stock or make changes to your existing stock. If you click on the button in the stock code field to open any of your existing stocks, you can select the stock by filtering from the window that opens. After making the changes you want, save it by clicking the Save button. To add a new stock, you can start by entering the product name in the form. The stock code and barcode fields can be entered manually, or if you leave them blank and save, they will come automatically according to your counters. You can specify the selling price and purchase price from the price section at the top right. You can see the profit rate between them, or you can specify the purchase price and enter the profit rate to get the selling price. If you wish, you can choose different currencies for your prices from the box next to them. If you want, you can fill in the group, custom code, brand model fields to create the structure of your stocks and get specific reports. You can check the description box to access the videos about these structures. You can enter tax rates and use foreign currency for your product by ticking the Use Foreign Currency checkbox. You can save your stock by clicking the Save button. Unlike our other definition, on the Quick Stock Definition screen, when you add and save a new stock or update your existing stock and save, the program will ask you to enter the received quantity. If you wish, by specifying the quantity here, you can create a purchase invoice by clicking the Transfer to Purchase Invoice button with this quantity. You can add an image to your product by clicking the Add Image button on the same screen, or you can clear the list in the Received Stocks area by pressing the Clear List button. Since the Received Stocks screen here is a common screen, if you don't click on the Clear List, the quantities you entered for other stocks will also appear on the screen.